This is the PB Tech building. OTIS Lexan. Okay. Not sure where it is currently. Here it is. It's maintained by Kone. Yeah, the interior is padded up because there is some construction work going on. Let's go to 4. Nice Lexan buttons. That motor sounds incredible, doesn't it? And all the numbers light up. So I've come here partly because I've never filmed this lift before, but also because I know that there is gradually over time some renovation works and other things going on in this building. And I want to make sure that I have this lift filmed in case they ever decide to replace or modernise it. You can see the emergency phone has been replaced. We've got a Kone button there for the phone. But that is awesome, pretty much perfectly original. We've just got some temporary carpet and some padding up on the walls. Again, like I say, that's to protect the lift because there is some construction work going on some of those upper floors. So yeah, very interesting, and that is it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then head over to my channel where you can explore more than a decade's worth of videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram for exclusive posts, and you can join my weekly live streams.